Patience came really naturally to me. I have a tremendous amount of patience to sit and wait for something to happen. Being able to just look around and take the natural world in and slow your breath down and try to be part of that landscape. I'm not creating it, I'm just capturing it. My dad had given me a camera on my 16th birthday. You want to create things that people haven't seen or excite them in a way and catch them. If we can capture more joy, it make people feel something. And that's what will make me stand in the rain and the cold and the hot for hours on end, days on end. Finding a hummingbird nest, which is as tiny as a little espresso cup, no one else in the world can do it, like Harold Greene. Now that nest is so beautiful. Look at how she plastered all that stuff on the outside.
All of that, I think, is just to increase its appearance as just nothing.
Nothing.
There's some stuff that kind of washed up here.
Yeah. Right up right here. Check it out, Og.
Little teacup.
A little teacup. Hummingbirds are super maneuverable. They can stop on a dime, turn upside down, fly backwards, hover, and they migrate 3,000 miles over the Gulf of Mexico without stopping. So unique, no other birds can do that. Imagine each time you had a kid, you had to build a whole house for it. Adventure can happen by traveling 3,000 miles to a foreign country, but it can happen in your own backyard. I started my career as a young woman, and I went through 3 pregnancies while working. After I had my first son, Gus, who's here with me now, I realized that I wanted to take much more control of my life, and he's been working with me the last couple of years. And started off probably as a little tot, being trompled around with us, my husband and I, to all kinds of places. We used to come here all the time. And you go swimming and play along the water's edge down there.
Was that like kindergarten?
Kindergarten, yeah. Working with him gives me a new perspective on a lot of things. Once you've got your tripod settled and all your bags and you're just quiet, you actually enter in to nature's time. That's when I hear like, wow, everything is communicating with each other. Everything is operating in a different frequency. There she is. You can feel it. You can feel it. Like you know you've gotten something amazing because it's amazing to you. And your whole body can vibrate. And a part of that is the anticipation and the hope that you're going to get something, and some is just the pure amazement of what you've been able to see. That these animals are living these incredibly wild and sophisticated lives. We're just peering through a little porthole, trying to understand them.